Hi, my name's Lily. I'm a senior creative at Beavertown Brewery, and I'm going to show you all the cool stuff you can do with Dash. Dash is an asset management tool, and it's a place where you can store all of your assets and all the things that you work on. So our one looks a bit like this. You can search everything in the search bar as usual, but there is a really cool filter section here where you can kind of really narrow down exactly what you're looking for. So, for example, if I wanted to search something in beer and then neck oil, but then also wanted to look at something that I can use everywhere, so it hasn't got any copyright, and then also a PNG, it will pull up all of this stuff. So it's really easy to use. One of my favorite things to use on Dash is the Link UI tool. So it's a plugin that is for your Adobe products. It basically opens up a mini version of Dash into your Photoshop, your Illustrator, or whatever you're using, which is so useful because you can actually open up Photoshop files that you've been working on. So you work on a file, you upload it to Dash, and then you can go back into that file with the Link UI plugin. So for example, here, I can open up this Photoshop file. I can then make changes to it. So whatever I need to do in case there's some amends. And then once I save that, I can then re-upload it to Dash via the Link UI plugin. So I don't need to save it down onto my laptop, which is really easy and very quick to use. Another one of my favorites to use in Dash is the versions. So you can upload multiple versions of the same thing, but it keeps into one file. This is great for me. Like I said before, there are a lot of amends to assets. So just doing lots of different versions, but keeping them all in one place is really helpful because sometimes you actually go back to old versions. So it's really good to have them all in one place. Dash has honestly saved so much time, so much energy. It's just super streamlined and easy to use.